Life to the max. Tap into the full potential of your Mini's connectivity features. The beautifully designed Mini app lets you interact with your Mini for an even better experience. Get it from Apple's App Store or Google's Play Store. Install the app, accept terms and conditions, and log in. Don't have a Mini connected account yet? Create a new one. Safety first. Define a PIN to protect your Mini and its settings. Now let the Mini app sync with your phone. The Vehicle tab appears. Press Add Vehicle. Enter all 17 digits of your vehicle identification number, VIN. You'll find it in your vehicle papers or in some countries on the B pillar on the right side door frame. After entering the VIN, a security code will be sent to your vehicle. Check it under Mini Connected, Mini Messages, and open the My Info message. Last step, enter the code in the app. Awesome! It might take a moment until your Mini is confirmed on the vehicle screen. Then press Enable Remote Services and you're all good to go. Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.